Welcome to our series on the success stories of global capability centers in India. Today, in the fourth episode of our success stories, we spotlight Schneider Electric, a global leader in energy management and automation, and its remarkable journey in India. While Schneider Electric established its presence in India in 1963, the company's Global Capability Center expanded significantly with the inauguration of a sprawling 630,000 square foot campus in Bengaluru's Bagmane Solarium City in June 2024. This state-of-the-art facility integrates a global innovation hub, training center, R&D facility, and digital hub, all designed with sustainability at the core. Employing over 37,000 professionals across India, including 4,000 dedicated to R&D, Schneider's Indian workforce is a vital driver of its innovation and operational excellence. India is Schneider Electric's fourth global hub, exporting 75% of its production to more than 35 countries in the Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia. The company recently strengthened its manufacturing base with an Indian rupee of 3,200 crore investment plan, inaugurating a new cooling solutions factory in Bengaluru in 2024 and consolidating 6 existing facilities into a 1 million square foot smart factory. This factory, set to generate an Indian rupee of 5,200 crore in sales by 2026, will leverage cutting-edge technologies like Industry 4.0 to produce critical energy and digital products for global markets. Additionally, Schneider Electric's Indian team has led significant advancements in IoT-enabled energy management tools and augmented reality systems, reducing operational inefficiencies by 10%. Schneider Electric's Bagmane campus is also a testament to sustainability, aiming for LEED Platinum certification and aligning with the company's global green goals. The company has made significant contributions to India's electric vehicle ecosystem, developing solutions to bolster EV charging infrastructure. Furthermore, its training initiatives have empowered 180,000 individuals with skills in energy management and automation, fostering a culture of continuous learning and innovation. As a critical contributor to Schneider's global revenue, which reached 29 billion in 2023, India remains central to the company's strategy. With further investments planned, Schneider is set to double its manufacturing capacity and strengthen its leadership in energy management and automation on a global scale. In conclusion, Schneider Electric's GCC in India exemplifies how leveraging local talent can lead to remarkable achievements in innovation, sustainability, and operational excellence. Looking to set up your operations in India? Partner with Inductus GCC for hassle-free establishment. Contact us to gain more insights.